Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today's the next day. This is day 4 of Jamaica. Today I will be going dolphin riding, right? I will be swimming with the dolphin today. And I don't know how to swim, so, and I just looked it up, like, for also Rios. That's why I'm at also Rios, I think. Jamaica, I think that's how you say it. But guys, hold on. Because first of all, it's too late to cancel because she said 24 48 hours you have to cancel, right? So yeah, it's today. I don't have no time. So I looked it up. Ocho Rios, it says I was able to get 1 or 2 dolphins, and I only said 1. I don't know why I only said 1. That's so dumb of me. But it says Ocho Rios. Where is it at? Go back. Hold on. I'll be back live. It says participants swim with 1 dolphin. Participants must know how to swim. Well, you're gonna know how to swim, so it's gonna be really interesting. I'm gonna be probably recording on this and then my phone, because I'm gonna run out of storage on this, and I want to record tomorrow when I go horseback riding in the ocean with the horses. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I get to the dolphin cove. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna be filming the rest of my camera so I have some space for tomorrow. So I have like a couple left. I have like 3 because I've been here for 3 days. I took like probably 7 with me. So, and I use like 2 in the same day, I think. I'm definitely not wearing this one. I want to wear this like maybe tomorrow night for my last night. Take some cute pictures in the ocean because this is reflective, like you guys can see. And I don't want to wear it right now because it's it's light outside. That's a cover up. So I'm gonna use that cover up for that other baby suit I just showed you guys. But this one or that one, and then I have this one. Oh, I have 4 left because I brought an extra one, I remember. And I got 2 cover-ups, so that don't count. But anyways, I got this bathing suit. It's just white. I think I'm gonna wear the white because it'll match with my hair better, even though like this whole week I've been like being colorful. But yeah, so they didn't come together. So this is from, I don't even know, I'm not even gonna hold you guys. I don't know where this is from. I don't know where it's from. Hopefully it can fit me because it's kind of big. But this is from Pretty Little Thing because I obviously needed a top to match the bottom, so I got the top. I got this in a 2. Yeah, this don't even look like I could fit it, so I don't know if I'm gonna wear this. Alright, guys, this is what I'm wearing. The bathing suit, I already told you guys where it's from. Yeah, I already told you guys where my bathing suit is from. So yeah, I got that. My belly's getting fat. And then my shoes are like some knockoff Birkenstocks because baby, who was paying $60 for my ugly freaking sandals? Like, these are from Target and it was like $30. I'm probably not gonna wear these so I probably wear my ugly freaking water shoes. They right here, they was drying, but the freaking ugly water shoes my mom brought from Amazon, so yeah, they were like $30. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I go with the dolphins. I'm so scared, but my mom said I don't have to know how to swim. I got this, whatever. So we're gonna see, guys. Alright guys, so change of plans. Your girl is back at her hotel room because they wanted me to swim to get to dolphins so they could drag me back. I can't swim, so that was not gonna happen. So my mom doesn't get a refund, whatever. And now I'm about to get dressed because we want to actually go out to the road Jamaica, go out on the road. You already know. So I'm gonna get dressed, show you guys what I'm wearing. I already know the gist. I already know what I'm wearing, so it's gonna be simple, easy. I'm doing my eyebrows, and then we're gonna be heading out. So let's go. Alright guys, so we in the road Jamaica. I'll put you guys on where I'll probably show you guys later on if I remember to. I forgot, which is surprising. But yeah, the house ice cream thing, whatever. I got a real big party. Juicy berries is so good. Like, and I have some skep. I call it ginger ale, but they said it's skep. So I'm like, okay. It's a great beer. So I'm gonna try this after. But this beef patty, I probably got a real beef patty. It's mad good. It tastes better. The real big body. I already got my dress like. Alright guys, so it's mad late, but we finally going back to the hotel after so long. It was like probably been outside. It's like 5 days. We only been outside for like maybe 2 hours. But the hotel's like here. So I'm gonna change. I'm gonna get ready for the pool. I think we're gonna get lobster, but I don't know if the pool too. So I'm gonna change for lobster, then change for pool. Yeah, cause it's the last like whole day, without doing anything. So, because I'm supposed to do Dolphin. Oh, I didn't tell you. I don't know if I told you guys, but I did not end up doing Dolphin because I can't swim. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys my outfits from. I had to go to the first floor because I didn't want to talk in my hotel room. I got you guys in the big full mirror, but you can see everything. So my hat is from Nordstrom. My dress is from Pretty Little Thing. Oh, Nordstrom. I think this was $4.50. I'm not too sure. But my dress is from Pretty Little Thing. I think it was $6. I really don't know. It was on sale though. Then my slides are from the Balenciaga website, and this was $380, I think. I'm not too sure. I'll put the prices on the screen so you guys can see. You just look it up. Balenciaga, white Balenciaga hat, white Balenciaga slides. But yes, we came with like a bottle of milk, you feel me? Glass of milk. My hair kept getting puffy because it's so hot outside and I was sweating, but yes, girl. Period. Alright guys, so I'm about to go to the beach. I could go to the beach, but I'm not going to. It's too dark. I'm going to the pool. I'm going to the jacuzzi. I'm sorry if I'm too close, but I'm trying to fix this cover up I got on because it keeps like coming up. And if you don't cover up, why are you coming up? I didn't show you guys my outfit. I'm gonna show you guys me downstairs. It's okay. Or in the elevator right now. Yeah. Alright guys, this is what I'm wearing. The top is from, I think Dolls Kills sent me this, or Baddie or some, I don't know who sent me this. Baddie Factory, Icyxmto, I don't know. My bottoms are from, y'all saw this earlier. I just took it off because I never got to like wear it fully. I don't know where I got this from. I forgot about that. I'm not wearing the bottom that matches because it's too much for me and I don't like it. So yeah, let's go. You only got 2 more days left in Jamaica. Like, shit crazy. I wanna leave. Alright guys, so today's our last day, like full day here. I had breakfast already, but we're gonna go to the horses, like go horseback riding in the water later on today, like at 1:15. It's only like 9:30 right now. We woke up really early, like every single day since we've been here. But look at the view, it's so beautiful. That's a Carnival cruise. I've never been on that one. I've been on a different Carnival cruise, and that's the house. But yeah. Yeah, to the resort is a lot. It's really big. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys when you're horseback riding. Oh my gosh. Hey, please welcome back to my channel. I forgot to say that. I got look at me and mommy matching. Ooh, period. Yeehaw. Jamaica did nothing to her, but good things. You look cute. Ooh, good lighting. Alright guys, let's go to the horse scene. Already. I don't know where the horse is. I think they're back there. But I'm ready. But I don't know if I can record because I remember my camera's from my regular phone, so yeah, if I can't record, just know that you're already looking cute or whatever. Yeah, I can wear my hat though. I'm scared already. not even happy yet. Alright guys, I'm on the horse. I think her name is Litigate. It keeps on shaking. And nobody else's is shaking but mine, and I'm so scared. Alright guys, so y'all gonna do it first is a trail, which you're doing right now, and then we're gonna do the water. So we're gonna have 2 different horses. I'm excited, but I'm kind of nervous. But I'm gonna have a tour guide with me, so I'm gonna be fine. He's so cute. Now he wanna walk away. Oh. You heard me, mommy?
All right, horseback riders. I'm gonna need the first 10 persons to do the ocean sport. First 10 persons, any 10.
The sunlight about to hit me. Hold on. Alright guys, we just finished the dry part. Now we're about to do the ocean part. I'm scared. But we got this. We got this. Because I can't swim. It's okay. I know y'all told me I said to come try it. That's what I'm about to do. Alright, so the fries taste regular. So today's our last night. I look so crazy. Today is my last night, or my last day, and freaking and night 2 in Jamaica, and I'm super excited because it's been real, you know. I'm gonna miss Jamaica so much. Oh my gosh. So my eyelashes is messing with me. My camera keep falling, like it's too much. I had such an amazing time. I did so many things I never did before. I'm just gonna miss it so much. But tonight we're gonna get some lobster. It's gonna be the last thing we do. I was gonna go like in the pool jacuzzi, but by the time we go, it's like 9 something. So by the time we go, it's gonna be too late. My mom probably gonna be like, no, so I'm not gonna even go because I'm kind of tired, to be honest with you. But I'm trying to stay up so when I get on the plane, I could just sleep through the whole thing because my ears hurt when it lands because we landing so fast, and then like the pressure on my ears is too much for me. So I want to sleep. I want to stay up all night so when I get on the plane, I'll be mad tired and just sleep through everything. I'm gonna tell you guys when we actually are at the lobster place because your girl never had, I had lobster before, but it's gonna be fancy, it's gonna be fresh because it's from Jamaica. Everything is made with love, everything is made fresh, real, no artificial, period. So I'm talking to you guys when we are at the lobster place because I don't even know where it's at. Alright guys, so my mom just called and said that she's ready. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing, super cute. This is from Shein and this is from Lovely Hostel, I believe. I don't know. Alright guys, so here's the fit for the last day. So sad. I'm so sad. This is like I don't wanna leave. Like I don't wanna leave. Like last time looking cute in this mirror. Oh yeah, this bag is from Mom. If you guys wanna know. Last time seeing the hotel lobby. Last dinner. Alright guys, so I'm leaving today. As you guys can see, they finished a Christmas tree. It looks so cute. As soon as I leave, they're done. That's crazy. But they finished it when I was here. But anyways, thank you guys so much for love, support, for watching me do this whole week of my little vacation. It was so much fun. I had an amazing time. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for videos of me, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, pretties.